Hello, my name is Aqil, and today I would like to present my project called Smart Monkey Detection System. This project aims to help farmer and homeowner detect and prevent monkey intrusion using affordable technology. Currently, in many areas, monkeys often disrupt residents. They damage plant, enter home, and cause the loss. Because of this issue, we developed a smart system that can automatically detect the presence of monkey. The main objective of this project are: first, to build a smart system that can detect monkey using AI. Second, to create a web dashboard to monitor and record detection. And the last one, to send real-time alert through a telegram for remote control. How the system works? This system uses an AI-powered camera to identify the monkey in real time. When a monkey is detected, the system activates a buzzer. And at the same time, an alert is sent to the user through a telegram. User can access the system through monkeystudent.com. New user can sign up while returning user login. Once logged in, the dashboard shows live feed from two cameras. Camera 1 plays a dog barking sound when a monkey is detected, and the camera 2 plays a high frequency sound. User can see, alert, and monitor their area in real time. This solution is smart, cost-efficient, and humane, helping protect property while promoting safe coexistence between human and animal. This system provides significant benefit to both user and society. It helps protect crops from monkey intrusion, reduction financial loss for farmers. At the same time, it provides safety and minimizes conflict between human and wildlife. The solution is eco-friendly and does not harm animals, making it suitable for long-term use. This project has strong commercialization potential due to its low production cost and high demand among farmers and rural communities. The system is easy to install and maintain, making it suitable for small farmers and resident area. In the future, it can be enhanced to the IoT feature, mobile alert, and solar power for the wider market adoption. In conclusion, the Smart Monkey Detection System is an affordable and efficient solution to address monkey intrusion problem. It helps protect crops, improve safety, and reduce human-wildlife conflict without harming animals. With future enhancement, this system has strong potential for wider implementation. Thank you.